Wednesday. Just wanted to touch base with you about what's going on in June at ABCI, which is actually quite a lot. It's one of my favorite months because we pick a theme for each month, and the theme for June is video. And video is one of the most powerful tools that we have for marketing, always has been. But a few things that have changed in the last little while are, number one, everybody has a much better camera than they ever probably have had in their life, and they're carrying it around in their pocket, and they have it everywhere they go. So it makes it a natural for capturing really high quality video and really high quality photos that we can use in your marketing material. So we'll be talking about that. We're doing a workshop where we create a promo video, and it's a done with you workshop. So you're doing part of the work and we're doing part of the work. And what happens is basically we help you put together a storyboard with a shot list. Now, this is what we want to communicate. This is how we want to tell the story of our product or service or our company or whatever story we want to tell. These are the shots that we need in order to make that really compelling. And do we want those to be still shots? Do we want those to be video? Do we want to mix the two together? How do we want to make that really visually compelling for our customers? And then we take all of that from you. We do the editing for you in Final Cut Pro and deliver you a promo video that is up to 5 minutes usually, and tells the story of your product or service or company in a very compelling sort of a way. And if you're one of our clients, of course, we'll be working on that with you this month. If you are not one of our clients, this would be a great month to join us so that you can get in the fun with that. Another workshop we're doing in June is kind of a companion to that, and that is how to build a YouTube channel. So that you have a great platform for conveying your videos. And YouTube, as you know, is owned by Google. So it's a great way to get noticed by the search engines and to pair with your website and other digital marketing efforts. And it's never before been as cool to put together your very own TV station, really, where you have playlists and where you have video that is coming out on a regular basis. You can do a schedule. There's a lot that you can do with YouTube that a lot of people aren't taking advantage of as much as they could. So those are the workshops coming out in June. We also have a discussion on Monday the 7th, and that will be with everyone. Everyone is welcome. And if you have a video that you're particularly proud of, we'd love to feature it just to help everyone get some ideas from other aviation companies of what they've done. That's really cool. And I've got a lot of examples from our clients that, of course, are going to be fantastic. So that's on Monday, June 7th, and Monday, June 14th, of course, is Flag Day and also my mom's birthday. So happy birthday, Mom. And on the 21st, we have another discussion on brand identity, which is one of the books that we're reading in our book club. And that kind of nicely goes together with videos. So we did not plan that, but that's just the way it worked out. So we're really happy about that. The 20th, of course, is Father's Day. A lot of our clients are fathers. Your most important job. So we salute you guys. Very happy that you do everything that you do, and we know who you do it for, right? On the 10th is Sue Stinson's birthday. Sue works for Motive Learning, and we met Sue this year, and she's been involved with some of our sales classes and other things, so really have enjoyed working with her. And Amanda Hayworth's birthday is on the 17th. So Amanda works with Aviation with her mom, Sherry Chappett, and they do amazing work finding the aircraft records for airlines and other folks that have so much money tied up in documents. And there is so much that can go wrong with aircraft documents. So Sherry is very aware of that and can help you if you are in that situation. So anyway, it's going to be a great month. Really looking forward to working with you, and really looking forward to seeing all of our clients in their office hours. That's like my favorite hour of the month. whichever client it is, they have a different way of just totally making my day and reminding me why I am so blessed to be able to choose the people that we work with. And we're so happy to be in this industry after such a tumultuous time, to still be here and still be working and to still have our clients doing really well. So anyway, great to be here and looking forward to June.